Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because today we are going to be opening the world's best fidget pack ever. Look at all of these goodies. I'm so excited to pull out the first one. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I hope the first one is a good one. Let's see. Look how rainbowy and delicious it looks. It is so good. I love the pastel colors. They're so pretty. Oh, I wonder what's gonna be next. I'm so excited. Well, this one looks quite tropical and poppable. The popping is amazing, and I love the hard shell. How cute is this adorable square popping keychain? Ooh, the popping is so good. I think I'll put this one on my backpack. Ooh, what do you think will be next? I'm gonna pull out two this time. Here goes nothing. Ooh, these are so cool. You can snap them and twist them and turn them, and you can even connect them. That is so cool. Ooh, they're so wiggly. Let's do another one. Let's see. Ooh, it's just like space. Look at this huge pop. Look at these cool bubbles. This is so fun. I'm gonna pull out 4 this time. Ooh. 4 textured monkey noodles. Look at their adorable little unicorn faces. Something feels kind of squishy. Squishy but lovable. Look at these darling little cute creatures. There's a snail, a fish, and a strange little creature. Are you ready for the next one? Wow, there were some incredible fidgets in here. I love these neon fidgets. They each have a cute little marble inside of them. It's so satisfying to push this little marble around. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got these. I got a tie-dye and a cotton candy colored infinity cubes. Look at all you can do with these. Ooh, I got 3 fidget spinners. Oh yeah, I could spin the day away with these. The next thing I've got, I don't think I've ever actually seen before, but it's pretty cool. I think I've almost completed the challenge. Woohoo! I got 2 amazing circle poppets! Tropical twins! Boom, 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 boom! Ta-da! I love these springy little things. And the last 3 are a unicorn, a heart, and a square. Aren't they adorable? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you can be part of my YouTube family.